Hey. Hello.
Yo.
Okay, so as everyone knows, it's been over a week and a day
Yep.
from Easter. No, today it'll be a week.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So I did something stupid.
That we did.
Beach. I got some random shit from Walmart, and even got a bucket to put it in. Okay.
So many rainbow unicorns and llamas.
Yeah, llama. And so after, whenever she wants to, she uses it as a trash barrel. So, now, we both know that she doesn't really have a sweet tooth.
No.
Some people don't. I kind of do, but I've been on a very extreme diet. So, as you can see, we're being kind of weird today. We already ate some carbs. I did. And, so some of this is not candy. Some of it's just random Easter shit, okay?
Yeah.
We got, surprise eggies. Yeah.
My hair's tied.
I'm just saying.
When did I have that?
Never.
Right?
So we have 4 of these random eggs. It says there's a plushie in it. We don't know what there is. And then we have, what, Kinder eggs? Kinder Joy eggs? Where the fuck that is? I've never really done Kinder eggs because, you know,
The chocolate to me does not taste good.
and you know, being on extreme diet, I love chocolate. And then, because I've never seen this before, and I'm a person who loves sour things. Very, very much. So, I found 2 Russell Stover's bunnies. One is sour watermelon. Yeah.
I choose the raspberry.
And yes, and then there's blue raspberry.
Yep.
You're gonna try both, you know, because
Yeah.
you never tried it before. So, we're gonna be weird. Hey. We're gonna start with some Kinder eggs, you know, because we just ate. And, of course, these are all Easter inspired. And also, if you go to Walmart right now, everything's half off. If you go to any store, they're half off.
Yeah.
There is 7 eggs because I try to get like one of every weird ass fact on them. So I don't know they're going to be anything really different.
Right.
Pretty much, we're just, you know, looking. So you open up like this, right? First one down. Oh, shite. Okay. Do you see this? That's a spoon.
Yeah, I didn't know that the first time I had these.
She's like, I can't get the chocolate out.
So I literally popped it up and ate it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Huh.
We have a little puzzle piece here.
I got... Ow!
No.
Dad.
And it looks like a little...
Mine looks like a freaking Pokemon.
a little puzzle piece we got going on. And I think mine is a little lamb. Yes, we are. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
Dad.
day.
Alright, so I think
Yep. This is...
is the bottom. It goes attached to here.
Yep.
If it'll work. Okay, got that. Now, oh, it's a bunny.
I got a freaking lamb.
Oh, it twists so it has different heads. You got this face or eyes and those eyes.
And then you have a little stand for it.
Yeah. Mine doesn't need it, to be honest. It can stand up on its own. But might as well put
Well,
on
the first
stand.
thing I open up is black. It's like, yes, it's going to match your soul real well. And then you got little stickers.
Oh, yeah.
I guess to put on your eggs or something like that, you know?
To put on your little creatures.
I
I got a moon, eggs, and more eggs.
And, of course, the chocolate. Chocolate's shit. Right?
And we can save that for later.
Look, diabetes. Okay, now another one. Another set. This time I went more blue. Because, you know, she
And I
got
went
it.
the teal spot one.
Tealish spot. Yay! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got it. What the hell are you? I know it's another puzzle piece thing. Wow, there's a lot of pieces to this one.
Oh, this one's cool. It's a little booklet.
I don't know.
Oh, look at that.
I think I got a chicken. Dang, you got some mystery shit there.
It looks like it's a little squirrel on this side with a telescope.
I think a chicken. It's one of those. Oh, okay, cool beans. Some weird piece of thing.
Yeah, this is a little booklet.
Turn around. Turn your ass
There.
back around.
And it goes in there as a little storage.
Okay, so apparently my bit is like a little gaming thing.
Oh, nice.
Where you get to fling shit at each other.
Hmm.
I'm trying to figure out how to just stick it together.
Let's see. Why not try with this? Excuse
Corona!
me. No, just allergies.
No. Corona beer! I love how you're like almost out of focus on my camera. You're like...
Feel the chocolate in this one. You can feel
It might be melted a little bit. Ooh, that crunchy.
Yeah.
Ooh, that crunchy. I don't know what the hell that is.
That's chocolate.
Crunchy. It might be an outer shell.
Maybe. But these eggs are nice.
Let's want it together. Oh, shit.
Talkie mushrooms.
Bullshit.
I don't want to get demonetized.
Oh, good.
Cuss words. They demonetize
First,
people.
First, it says within 60 seconds of the video.
Oh. We're good. Because we're already in 7 minutes. I don't.
This piece of shit ain't going in.
Alright. You want me to open another one?
Yeah, might as well, because I'm feeling like an idiot here.
Alright. Come on, open up. Alright. There's the chocolate side. The spoon. I'm not being very kind to these eggs.
No. No, you're not.
It's a turtle! I got a turtle.
Let me just take your candy and run away with it.
I want to drop my turtle.
Okay.
So I think you go this way. It looks like a turtle. No, it's not. Is this a turtle? I can't tell.
Look at the picture, you derp.
It's a crying turtle. It looks like a turtle, but it's a weird kind of turtle thing. Yeah, it's that little guy there. So
I'm gonna put this off to the side because I think that's more active situation that I'm not really good at.
and apparently this also is a stencil. That's awesome.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. Okay, last one. Come on, oh, these Kinder eggs.
Yeah.
I got blue and pink.
I got purple and yellow.
Weirdly enough, we have not had any repeats.
No.
Within so many stuff, we did not have any repeats. I'm kind of weirded out on that one.
Whoa.
I got a green dude. I
don't know.
They could finally caught. No, it's not the same thing as
Oh,
yours.
that's cool. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. I'm confused by it, at the same time intrigued.
Wow.
Oh, there you go.
I love you.
It makes a little design, a 4-piece design.
And I got a little dude. a little,
And now...
oh no, you got one of those.
Oh, it comes with a string.
Comes with lots of strings.
Oh, there's multiple strings. Oh, I didn't notice. This looks like a freaking Beyblade.
I think it's kind of like what my thingy is like a Beyblade thing.
Oh, this goes inside that.
I think it's like make a big circle. I got a little leafy dude. With a happy face cloud. So it's not the same as yours, it's different from yours.
Yeah.
But it's kind of the same thing. No, come back there.
Yours has the frog.
Sarah will be jealous. Be like beach, 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 beach.
Almost. Got it.
So both of us both have figurine things. And both of us
Yeah.
have like weird little circular things. I love it. And all of them came with like little weird stickers
Yeah.
to stick onto them. But you know what? Don't care.
In there.
Turn around. Turn your ass back around. It's like, yeah, I know. It's turnaround worthy. Okay, so.
Alright. Got it. Oh, we got a mess.
Oh yeah, we got a mess. But this is why we have a bucket here. Hop.
I like stacking them.
You know they are going to get thrown out, right?
Yes.
Okay, so. Next thing, you want to try something to eat, or do you want to try,
I want to do the big eggs.
Okay, so I would say we get a purple each.
Yeah.
Then your choice of
Here you go.
either yellow or blue.
Okay.
Okay, so. Me.
Alright. So I know it has a tear line somewhere. I'm about to bite this thing and try and open it. Got it.
This is what happens whenever I don't have my keys on.
Oh, I got a bunny! Oh, look at all the different creatures you can get.
Aren't you happy I did this?
You can get a wide variety. You can get a carrot, a pink bunny. I got the white bunny. Oh, it can turn inside out, I think. Oh, you can turn its legs inside out.
So you came up with it.
It's a finger puppet.
I got a brown bunny.
You can get a duck.
Ooh, smell.
Oh, nice.
It smells
This
like
one doesn't have a smell.
Ha, because yours is a finger puppet.
Mm.
Yeah. It's a chocolate scented bunny.
Yeah, this is a little finger puppet bunny.
Hey.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Hey, you're out of focus.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
I like this.
Gonna put you back in your little egg.
Hey.
Oh, hush it, pups.
Alright.
Alright, I'll take the blue.
Alright. Shut up. Parang sila. Silencio.
Ow. That is not safe to do, people.
Any dentist, if they're ever watching any of this shit, they're like, oh god, no!
Don't worry, I already have a few chipped teeth. Oh, I got the frog.
Sarah!
Oh, its eyes look pitiful. And it's another finger puppet. I got two finger puppets. Ribbit. 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 Oh, you got a blue bunny.
It's a clip-on!
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah. You can tell I'm like an Easter baby. I got the good shiz.
Yeah.
It's a clip-on. Ah! That is adorable. Okay, before we die here, let's see how sour this candy is.
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want to try first?
I want to do that.
You're gonna try it.
Yeah.
I'll open this one up right now before you struggle anymore with that one. Like, oh my god, I
Get it!
nailed it. I don't know, like 5 minutes later. What's going on? I don't know.
Here we go. More tiny.
Well, duh. Ooh, smell it, smell it, smell.
Oh, that smells good.
It smells like blue cotton candy.
Cheers.
Boop.
Yeah, that's a little sour.
I like it. It tastes good.
It does taste good, but it's a little sour.
You wanted it first. You
Yeah.
got it.
It's good though.
Okay, next one is the watermelon one. No. Like you
I
can
can't really smell that one. My nose is getting clogged up again.
There's that bit. I get a fat head.
Cheers. Yep. It's good. I need to blow my nose.
All right, so.
Where's the tissue?
As you can see, we just lost somebody. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna finish off whatever we can. We're gonna have fun. Y'all have a nice day.
Bye.